In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish music in Soundtrap. First, open your browser and head to soundtrap.com. On the homepage, select Login. For this walkthrough, choose Login with Google. If you're already signed into your Google account, pick the account linked to Soundtrap. If you have more than one, select the correct one. Approve any prompts so Soundtrap can open your workspace. Once you're in, go to Projects. This is your library where every beat, podcast, or song is saved. Find the track you're ready to release. It's a good idea to double check the title, make sure your final mix is saved, and confirm you're happy with the levels and effects. When you're set, look for the three dots next to that project. That menu is where advanced options live. Choose Export. Soundtrap will create a mixdown of your project, so give it a moment if your session has lots of tracks or automation. Tip: save your project right before exporting so the latest changes are included. When the export options appear, pick MP3 audio file to get a small, share-friendly file. If you plan to distribute the song to streaming services, consider exporting a WAV instead for the highest quality and fewer artifacts. Most distributors prefer WAV. OGG is also available, but it's less common for releases. Select the format that matches your release plan and download the file to a folder you can easily find later, like a dedicated Releases folder. With your file ready, you can use a third-party music distributor such as DistroKid to publish it to platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and more. On your distributor's site, you'll typically upload the exported file, enter your song title and artist name, choose a release date, and add your cover art. Follow their on-screen prompts and requirements, including file specs and loudness guidelines. Make sure you own or have permission to use all parts of your track, including samples and artwork, and keep your metadata consistent with what you used in Soundtrap. That's the whole process. Log into Soundtrap, open projects, export your finished song in the format you need, and then release it through a distributor. If this helped, save these steps for your next track so you can publish with confidence every time.